Hi. Well, I did a thing. I've been looking at stuff online and stuff, and everybody does these videos, and everybody's buying stuff off Temu. So I bought a Telecaster kit off of Temu. I've never had a Telecaster, and I don't know what's in this box. One corner's open. FedEx just dropped it off. Let's see what's in this box. Let's see if we can get this open. I'm in the middle of a flying V right now, and the paint is really giving me a hard time. So I've got a lot of flying V parts sitting here while I wait for it to stop making me quite so upset. But let's see, we got this off. A fancy piece of styrofoam. And we got here, this appears to be a piece of paper with a list of what's supposed to be in there, and a piece of paper on the other side. It tells you how it's supposed to go together. But in here, it looks like we've got a Telecaster body here. It doesn't look too bad, does it? You all like the white pick guard? Or don't know what I'm going to do here. I'm going to build me a Telecaster. Here's the neck. It's a pretty interesting color on the fretboard. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like that charcoal gray that everybody's making their cabinets and their flooring out of these days, and it's kind of interesting, to say the least. What else do we got in here? Got a bag of Ziploc bag full of stuff here. I think it's kind of interesting. They mounted this bridge pickup in here and put all the screws in the pick guard already and run the wires down. Did they think we're not gonna put any finish on this? I'm thinking about not putting any finish on it, but that's not how it was gonna go. Here's our input jack and our switches, and our volume and stuff is already there. Oh, these are tiny little volume pots. Those are probably gonna have to be upgraded. We got a regular Telecaster bridge here. Doesn't wrap all the way around. We're gonna use this pickup to start with and see if it sounds good. Oh man, they even got some strings in there. Wonder what gauge they are. Here's our tuning keys. Don't really know what I'm gonna do about that. Well, here's some more of the tuning keys. They put the tuning keys in two separate packages. Neck plate. And, oh, these are the neck mounting screws. So we got, oh boy, we even got a little baby strap and a cheap instrument cord and a little blue pick. So my idea with this, since it came with a white pick guard, is I thought maybe I would paint this guy black with the white pick guard. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of that idea. There's lots of other options I could do. I considered just leaving it raw wood. I might use this at the blues jam, because all my heavy metal guitars are just, I don't know, they're not blues jam guitars. But I considered leaving this with no paint on it at all, and be looking something like that with no paint or finish at all. Maybe a little vegetable oil on it or something. But I was thinking it may end up black, but I just don't know. careful here with this little plug. It's kind of nice. It's got these little it's got little plug-ins. They don't have to. There's no soldering anything, which is what we used to have to do. It's pretty cool. I don't know. So let me know. Do you think we should finish it at all? Should we paint it black? Because that's the first thing I'm going to do. And then we're going to see how these pickups sound and see if it sounds like a Telecaster. And if it does, then we'll leave them alone. But everybody knows I'm a big EMG fan, and I also get I have Laz Gajic and Blackstorm pickups making me pickups out of the UK. So I don't know if he's ever made a Telecaster pickup. I could ask him, but tell me in the comments if you think I should just leave it wood or if I should paint it. What color you think I should paint it? You know, it's that the frets actually feel pretty good on the edge of this. And this is Temu. This is $56. $56 for this kit, and it appears to have everything in the box to build a Telecaster. This body looks kind of like a cutting board. It's 4 pieces of wood, usually 2 pieces in most cases. I don't really know what kind of wood this is. It's not very heavy, and I'm not a real luthier, and I'm definitely not a lumber expert. And it doesn't really say. It says to what order to put things on, but they seem to put it together with no finish at all. So what do you think? Should I just hit this sucker with some vegetable oil or some sort of maybe a staining oil? I think I have some dark colored oil that's for like working on old dressers and stuff like that, where you can fix where they got nicks and stuff in them. So let me know. Put it in the comments what you think I should do about this guy right here. But I think it's going to be a nice, fun project. First thing I got to do, well, it's not the first thing I got to do, because when you get frustrated with stuff, you're supposed to quit. The paint job on this is really getting on my nerves, but we'll go back to that in the future. But right now, it's got to take a break. So let me know what you think, and we'll start on this in a day or two and keep you guys posted what's going on. I've never had a Telecaster. We're going to have a Telecaster, and I want to keep it sounding like a Telecaster. So I don't want to put humbuckers in it. I've got humbuckers, I've got stuff, but I want it to sound all twangy and bluesy like a Telecaster should. So let me know what you think I should do about this paint job, and we'll go from there. Thank y'all for watching.